What's going on, you Rapaholics? Welcome back to the channel. So here today we are going to be installing this rear windshield for the Can-Am Defender. This is a Kamimoto windshield that will fit all the Defenders. It doesn't matter if it's Max or regular. Don't know about the new models yet, couldn't tell you, but this will fit a HD5, HD8, and HD10. Don't know about the 6x6. I don't see why that would be any different, but you'll have to check out this product in their Amazon link to verify which model this will fit on. I do believe it fits almost all of them though. So as far as I know, this is going to be very simple to install, and it's highly recommended to have a buddy to help you with this. So yes. So he can be on the inside holding the wrench while the other person's using the drill to screw them down. So very easy, and I mean, honestly, this is probably going to take 5 minutes to install, so I'm probably not even going to time lapse it. So we'll install it, and we'll kind of take it on a test drive and see how we like it. And we actually have an old one. That's a Super ATV rear windshield over there.
So far, it's been awesome.
That one's tinted, as you can see, but we're going to kind of compare the two and see how we like them, and we'll give you guys our honest opinion on them. So let's get started.
When I dump my bed,
it
catches a slip on my Super ATV.
Oh, okay.
So it's about 1 for 6. It doesn't catch it.
Alright, we'll do the dump test.
So I want to try that, but I don't want to lose all my hardware.
Alright, so here's the dump test. We want to make sure that it doesn't hit the windshield.
Clear, man.
I think it cleared too.
Got a good 1/4 inch to play with.
Yeah, I think your Super ATV one is thicker, and that's why it's hidden.
The seal.
Yeah, the seal.
Yeah.
Cool.
So there you go.
It passes the dump test.
Super ATV catches right about there. You got a good solid 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
All the way across.
Cool. Alright. Well, test drive time. See how she does in there.
Alright.
I don't know if it's going to make too much of a difference, but we'll see how she does moving. See if we get any weird drafts or better no drafts or whatever. Because the other one, like you said, has a little lip here, so I don't know if any wind gets through there or not. Probably doesn't seem like it.
I can't tell.
Yeah, we don't sit in the back.
It might be, yeah, if you sat in the back, you might be able to tell more.
I'll sit in the back and see how I think about it. Main difference already, since this one's clear, you can see through it a little better. I'm not saying you couldn't to the other one.
Not covered in mud.
Yeah, and it's brand new, it's not covered in mud. Kamimoto rear windshield seems like a very nice product so far. Only thing that I've noticed so far is that it is plastic, so it is going to scratch. I think this other one that we have is more scratch resistant. I think it's a little bit more durable, but the value of this compared to that one, you know, that's where you got to think about.
Maybe the tint hides the scratches.
That could be like the other one. Yeah, like the other one's tinted. It could hide the scratches a little bit better for you. I guess it's more of a personal preference, but our test drive, nothing rattled. It did its job. There was no draft coming through. It really did this. It really held up and did its job just fine. So only thing I can really think is that it's going to scratch easy. So it depends what kind of riding you're doing. That's all I can really think about it, is that it's going to scratch. So you can check out Kemimoto. I'll put the link down below. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is probably going to be a really short one, but it was just a install and review. The installation was very easy. So with a buddy, you can get Whooper out in 5 minutes. Not a big deal at all. So all the hardware was there. I had instructions, so that's always a nice plus. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
This window adds like 20 pounds to your figure.